Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So, guys, as part of this session, I'm going to give a brief overview on this particular generative AI. So, immediately, a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, we have studied about AI, then what is this generative AI? What is the difference between this generative AI and a traditional AI? Right. Let me elaborate this one with a few examples so that you can understand this concept in a better way. So, what a traditional AI does is basically it will analyze, it will classifies the data, it will retrieve from the existing data. Okay, that's what the traditional AI does. But ideally, the traditional AI won't create any new content for us. It won't create any new content for us. Ideally, what exactly it does is it will try to find from the existing information, it will forecast that particular outcome, it process and understand that particular data whatever we have given. But unlike, if you consider the situation right now, I may go to ChatGPT and I may ask it to write down a Selenium Java program to opening an application. It is generating a code. This is the one example for that. Or another example that I can say here is, so consider that I have a multiple sets of documents, a different sets of loan types of a documents. A housing loan, I have a one document, and a vehicle loan, I have a one document. A business loan, I have another document. I have a multiple sets of a document. So what I'm gonna do is, for my Gen AI, I will give all these information and I will ask it to create a consolidated loan document which does has all the information about it. So what Gen AI is gonna does, this Gen AI will create a content which doesn't exist before. The new document, whatever I'm referring to, it wasn't there before. The Gen AI itself is creating a new document for us. Using this Gen AI, of course, you can generate your code, you can generate an audio file, you can generate a video file, you can generate a text from an image, you can read image content. All these things that can be done using this particular Gen AI itself. Of course, these Gen AIs are also trained on a massive sets of data. Consider a small example. An image generator might have been shown with the millions of pictures of a sneakers to learn what a sneaker looks like. Perfectly all right. So this is all about a generative AI, guys. So the ultimate thing that we need to know is, if a content isn't there before, this generative AI will create a content for us, whereas the traditional AI will only fetch the information from the existing data. It won't create any information for us. But the generative AI does the thing for us. It will create a content, it will create an image, it will create an audio file, and it will create a video files for us. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.